Create a built-in indoor herb garden and planting station in a big family kitchen to keep fresh herbs and quick greens within easy reach for cooking. Design the space as a modular planting wall or island insert that uses either hydroponic systems or soil-based planters sized to fit the family workflow. Choose a south or east-facing window niche when possible and plan for supplemental, full-spectrum grow lighting on a timer to maintain consistent light cycles without manual intervention. Install a built-in watering tray and a discrete, dedicated outlet with a timer to automate light and pump schedules and prevent overwatering and electrical clutter. Use removable individual planters or pull-out trays so each herb can be rotated, replanted, or taken to the sink for trimming without disturbing neighbors. For soil systems, select a well-draining potting mix and top with a thin layer of mulch to reduce evaporation. For hydroponic systems, monitor nutrient solution concentration weekly and change solution every 2 to 4 weeks depending on system size and plant load. Incorporate airflow by leaving small vents or adding a quiet fan on low to reduce mildew and keep plants robust in a busy kitchen environment. People often overplant the space and end up with cramped, unhealthy herbs, so plan mature spacing and start with fewer plants that you rotate as needed. Another common issue is inconsistent light leading to leggy plants, so use a programmable full-spectrum fixture positioned 6 to 12 inches above foliage and adjust height as plants grow. A third frequent problem is watering mistakes that cause root rot or salt buildup, which you avoid by using a catch tray, checking moisture before watering, flushing soil with fresh water monthly for soil systems, and replacing nutrient solution regularly for hydroponics. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like built-in herb gardens, helping us find local pros or inspiration for design and installation. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, troubleshooting, and project photos so everyone can learn and find work opportunities.